Hi guys, welcome back to Math Jamboree. Today we have another digital SAT math type of a question and a topic of arrangement drills, or better said, calculating principles. Let's dive into it and read. In a parade, there are 12 floats, and the organizers want to arrange 5 floats in a specific order. How many different ways can they organize the 5 floats in the parade? Alright, if you see that kind of a question, you first want to determine if that is a permutation question or a combination question. Let me write that down. Permutation or a combination. Now, when you have a permutation question, you will know the order matters. If you have a combination question, you will understand from your text the order doesn't matter. Now let's look at it and see if that is a permutation or a combination question. It says, look, arrange is already a keyword, but there's a more specific word in it. It says 5 floats in a specific order. That means the order does matter in this question. So we're gonna use the permutation formula, which is like this: n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. I'm pretty sure it's called factorial. And the combination formula would be this way. Give me a second. So c, this time with c, and then n factorial divided by r factorial, parentheses n minus r factorial. Alright, but for this question, we're gonna use the permutation formula. So I'm gonna erase those. You can take a screenshot if you like. Now, we have 12 floats. In our formula, this is gonna be at the n, so 12p. And then we have 5 floats. N is always the total thing, so remember, the total is always n and the r is 5. That equals to n. N is 12 factorial divided by 12 minus 5 factorial. Alright, now what does factorial mean? Now we have 12 factorial here. So 12 factorial means 12 times 11 times 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. The number you got until you have to multiply until 1, if that makes sense. So if you got 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, for instance. Alright, let's solve this. 12 factorial. First of all, we're gonna figure this one out, the denominator, which is gonna be I'm pretty sure 7. I'm hoping so. Okay, give me a second. Alright, so 7 factorial, and then we got 12 factorial. Now in this case, if you got in the denominator a 7 factorial, you don't have to multiply until all the way 1. You can stop at 7, which will look like this: 12 times 11 times 10 times 9 times 8 times 7, and stop there. Factorial. No factorial, actually yes, factorial, I'm sorry. And then 7 factorial on the bottom, and then 7 factorial and the denominator are gonna cancel each other out, so you're left with this: So now we're gonna have to multiply all of them. So 12 times 11 times 10 times 9 times 8. All right. That is gonna be 95,040 different ways how to organize the 5 floats in the parade. So 95,040. I mean, it sounds like a big number, but you don't have to get scared. Actually, sometimes that happens with those kind of questions. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you.